Hi there, this is Marissa, and I have for you today a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. And in this video, I will be using different random things that I find a pixel scrapper. I'm starting here. I want some black and white papers, so I just typed in the search bar black and white paper, and now I am choosing a few that I'm going to use here in my layout. So you can see there on the right side I have I want to keep the emphasis on those two large photos there, so I don't want anything too exciting happening. So I figured black and white would be good, plus I like black and white, so I always like a good reason to use it, and then I'll just carry that on the left side as well. So now I'm going to look for some blue papers, and I have this idea that I'm going to use a few different blue papers. But in the end, I will just use one blue paper that I will repeat throughout. It's a pretty soft blue, and it kind of goes with the denims that the people are wearing. So sorry for that polka dots, but they're gone, and this nice little blue is coming in, and I'm still looking here at the blue papers. Now I'm gonna try for gray. So there's a lot of photos on this layout, so I'm trying to keep everything pretty simple. Sticking with my black and white and gray with a little bit of color. So now I'm looking for some elements. I know that I want a white flower cluster over where those two big photos are. So I'm just looking for white flowers, and now I'm looking for white leaves, and then I will go from there. Plus something about family, since that is the family. Alright, so I have my first white flower here, and then another white flower, and something sparkly. And now I will stick in my white leaves, and it will look quite nice. Although I will eventually flip it so that it's on the right side of the layout. So then rather than being on the spine of my photo book, it'll be on the outside. So there you go, I've just flipped it over. And now I'm going to add in a few white embellishments here on the left side. And that will be that for 2018, actually. This is my final layout for this year. It's been fun making these videos this year. I hope you've enjoyed them. I'm planning to continue making them into 2019. So if there's anything that you would like me to talk about when I'm doing these voiceovers, let me know. I'm happy to have some talking points. If there's something you're interested in, just let me know below in the comments. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.